Hi everyone. So today I am going to show y'all how to petition for a name change in Texas, specifically Austin, Texas, or Travis County. The reason I'm making this video is because it took me a really long time to figure out this process, piecing a lot of puzzles from the dark corners of the internet together. Um, and so it actually extended my time for receiving a name change just because there were pieces that I didn't know I had to submit. And also, I was doing this all completely online. So the steps I show you today, it's all online. And I didn't have to step a foot in the court. So maybe you won't either. So these are the general 5 steps that we will be covering. And we're going to start off first with the e-file and fingerprints testing. So for here, it's going to be all done through an online portal, except for the fingerprints that you'll have to get done in person, which I will tell you how I did that. So first, let's go ahead and talk about the eFile Texas self-help portal. So this is the easiest way to navigate to where we want to go is through this specific link. If you search eFile Texas in Google or whatever search engine you use, it's rare that you'll find this site, or it's rare that it'll directly navigate you here. At least that's what I've experienced. So I'll make sure to include this specific hyperlink in the description. So here, once you're on this website, you'll go ahead and navigate and click to start a filing. Once you click there, you'll go ahead and try to find this section, family cases, and we're specifically looking at the adult name change portion. So essentially what this section is saying is they're going to make you go through like an interview to make sure you're at the right spot. So just go ahead and follow through with that. Okay, and you'll go ahead and complete this interview, and then it will walk you through the actual section where you'll submit your information. So you'll fill out a form and you'll also submit your fingerprint card that is to be signed. So make sure it's signed, otherwise, they will reject your entire application and you'll have to redo it again. Rest assured, if you did pay for the application and it got rejected, that won't be charged. The only time you'll get charged is when your application is actually accepted. So fret not. So how do you get your fingerprints? Well, you go to this website, Ident2Go, and here you'll go ahead and try to find this section, which is the fingerprint card section. And then you'll go ahead and schedule or manage your appointment. So fill out your information. They'll help you find a spot that's convenient for you that has an available opening for fingerprints. So just schedule it based on your availability. And once you go in person and you get that physical fingerprint card, make sure you sign it and then submit that along with your actual file. And that's all done through that e-file portal that we just looked at. Okay, so let's say you've gotten your fingerprints, you already submitted everything in the e-file. Cool. So now you wait, and once your case is accepted, you'll receive a confirmation in your email inbox. And it looks like this. It's a copy from efiletexas.gov. It's accepted. You'll be assigned a case number and an envelope number, in addition to being assigned a specific court. So my petition went to the Travis County District Clerk, Civil/Family. I'm not sure what other courts it would go to, if it always goes to this court. Um, but yeah, just wanted to cover that portion. So here I made the mistake of thinking, okay, this is done, so I'll wait. And the general wait time for your petition to be accepted is from like 6 to 8 weeks. That's the general estimate they give, I believe. So I was waiting and it turned into 12 weeks. So then I was like, okay, well, maybe I should reach out. And I did. And it turns out there's actually a step after this that you have to do. And I'll show you that one now. You actually have to request a case review. So once your case acceptance is confirmed, you have to go ahead and go to a separate website and actually request for your case to be reviewed by an attorney. And how you do that is you actually go to this um, part of the internet, and it's the Travis County Law Library. I will include the hyperlink for this as well in the description. But once you're here, you will go ahead and navigate to this box in the right-hand corner, sign up for family law case review. You click that, it'll open a different tab, and you're going to just go ahead and fill this section in. So, do you have a family law case filed in Travis County? For me, yes. Is anyone represented by an attorney? I was not represented by an attorney, so no. And then in your case, is your case agreed default or only one party? And since it's a name change, an adult name change, it's only one party. So that's what I will select. Do you understand and agree that the reference attorney or paralegal who reviews your case will not be an attorney and cannot give you legal advice? Yes. So that's what you're essentially doing here is that you're requesting for an attorney or a paralegal to review your case and move it forward to the judge to essentially decide and sign off on this petition. Okay, so you will need that case number from that confirmation email. You'll have to incorporate that here. And then the case type would be an adult name change. So once you submit this form, you will actually get DocuSign emails or a form in the email, and you'll go ahead and fill that out and sign it and then submit that. So now you wait. Now is a waiting game for that period that they give of 8 to 12 weeks or whatever it is. Um, you wait, and soon you'll receive a court order confirmation, hopefully. If everything goes well and they have agreed and signed off on your petition, you'll receive a confirmation and it'll give you instructions on how to request court order copies. And these are the copies you need to submit to institutions um, for, validating that you did change your name. So I hope this was fairly clear, and I hope it's helpful and sorts out the confusion for your process in changing your name. And this is a very intentional process of getting your name changed. So I really wish you the best, and congratulations when you do have your name change finalized. I hope this is helpful, and please let me know if you have any questions, and take care. Bye.